If you've been a company that has been in charge of their own marketing for a certain amount of time and then suddenly have found themselves kind of, with the rug pulled out from underneath them and not really understanding what works, why it doesn't work, you're going to be in a position of disheartenment. You're going to be disheartened. There's been some huge changes in the marketplace, particularly this year in Facebook. As marketers, we have to now have the additional challenges of a delayed attribution when it comes to conversions. So meaning that rather than looking at a daily snippet as to how the marketing campaigns might have worked, we have to look over broader periods, so 5 to 7 days. But we also understand that there's a 5 to 7 day delay when it comes to when those results appear. So we have to be very pragmatic with our approach to it, and we also have to look at other sources of analytics to make our media buying decisions. So if you're a business and you've been doing your own ads until, say, April, kind of getting by decent-ish ROI, certainly through the reporting from Facebook, you'll have seen a decrease in return on ad spend, an increase in cost per acquisition. We're finding a lot of people come to us quite frustrated, really, thinking, I thought it was going well, we don't know what to do. There are kind of slight changes in the game now that you have to look at in order to win in this space. We have, as an example, specialists in Facebook that now have to become specialists in Google Analytics to understand the whole marketing picture. Not only that, but to be able to pull out certain reporting from different channels and put it all together in a report that makes sense. We as marketers don't ever want to be under-reporting what we're doing, because that's the blood of our business, and success and numbers and data informs that. But we're having to rely more heavily, I guess, on the whole sphere of marketing and understand not just what Facebook is saying, but what Google's saying, what's Shopify saying, what's WordPress saying. Finding that marketing partner that can advise, inform, educate on the processes and the changes, but also ride that wave for you and be the captain of that ship through those rough storms. Because as a business owner, you've got other things to worry about. You've got staffing problems, the sink's leaking downstairs. You've got other kind of things to worry about. Trying to stay ahead of marketing trends, I don't think is one that is a great use of time. And I think if you can find a good partner to do that, then that's going to help you grow in a much more sustainable way.